Namaste, this is Samta Auntie. In this video, we are going to review how to say sweet and sour in Hindi. This video is for Hindi beginners and little kids aged 3 to 6 who are just building their vocabulary. So that means I will not be inflecting the adjectives sweet and sour. Let's review how to say these words in Hindi. Sweet is meetha, meetha, and sour is khatta, khatta. Now both of those are tricky H words. Listen again. Meetha. Notice that there's a t sound at the end. Listen to how I say sour. Khatta. Notice the KH sound at the beginning of the word. K. So now that you know the words and how to pronounce them correctly, let's do some practice problems. How would you describe the cookies? Khatta or meetha? Meetha. They are sweet. How would you describe the donuts? Khatta or meetha? Also meetha, because donuts are sweet. The sour strawberry is meditating. What's sour, khatta or meetha? Khatta. How would you describe the cakes? Khatta or meetha? Meetha, because they're sweet, right? The sour apple is shopping for groceries. What's sour, khatta or meetha? Khatta. How would you describe the cake pops? Khatta or meetha? Meetha, because they're sweet. The orange is sad because he's sour. Which word is sour, khatta or meetha? Khatta. The sour lemons are grumpy today. Which word is sour again? Khatta or meetha? Khatta. How would you describe the laddus? Khatta or meetha? Meetha, because they're sweet. Great work. Now let's use these words in sentences. You have learned how to form a Hindi sentence, so you should know how to do these sentences that are coming up next. How would we say the lemon is sour? The lemon is sour. And in case you forgot, lemon is nimbu. So how would we say the sentence? Nimbu khatta hai. Because lemon is nimbu and khatta is sour. Nimbu khatta hai. Now remember what I taught you in class. There's no the in Hindi. So whenever you see a the word, you just make it vanish. It just goes away because there's no the in Hindi. So we just start with the word nimbu. And I know it sounds silly when we say nimbu khatta hai because that means lemon sour is. So the order of the words in Hindi and English is not the same, as we've talked about many times. And I know that seems silly, but that's just the way it is. And that's true not just for Hindi, but all languages. Every language has its rules. And in Hindi, the verb comes at the end of this sentence. And we're going to talk about that more later on. Don't worry about that right now. But nimbu khatta hai is how we would say this. The cookies are sweet. And if you're wondering, how do we say cookies in Hindi? It's just cookie. So the sentence is, cookie meetha hai. Cookie meetha hai. And again, for the parents that are watching, this video is intended for beginners who are building their vocabulary. I am intentionally not inflecting meetha to meethe. Understanding how that changes will come much later. All right, the apple is sweet. And in case you forgot, apple is seb. So how would we say the sentence? Seb meetha hai. Seb meetha hai. The mango is sour. And in case you forgot, mango is aam. So what would the sentence be? Aam khatta hai. The banana is sweet. And one more time in case you forgot, banana is kela. So what would the sentence be? Kela meetha hai. The coconut is sour. And in case you forgot, coconut is nariyal. So what would the sentence be? Nariyal khatta hai. The lemon is yellow and sour. Now in this one, you know how to say lemon, you know how to say yellow, and you know how to say sour. But let me introduce and. In Hindi, the way we say and is or. Or. So now that you know that, put the sentence together. The lemon is yellow and sour. नींबू पीला और खट्टा है. नींबू पीला और खट्टा है. Let's break down those words. Nimbu is lemon, pila is yellow, and khatta is sour. And we have the word and in the middle of pila or khatta. Or is and it's in the middle of the two. Nimbu pila or khatta hai. Let's do this one. The apple is red and sweet. You know how to say apple, red, sweet. Just don't forget and. So what would the sentence be? सेब लाल और मीठा है. Let's do this one. The banana is sweet and yellow. You know how to say banana, you know how to say sweet, you know how to say yellow. Just don't forget and, which is or. So what would the sentence be? केला मीठा और पीला है. केला मीठा और पीला है. Let's do another one. The mango is sour and orange. You know how to say mango? Sour, orange color. Don't forget and. So how would we say the sentence? आम खट्टा और नारंगी है. आम खट्टा और नारंगी है. And remember, guys, the orange color is different than the orange fruit in Hindi. The orange color is narangi and the orange fruit is santara. They're two different words in Hindi. So to say the mango is sour and orange, we mean the orange color in this case. So we say aam khatta aur narangi hai. The coconut is sour and brown. You know how to say coconut and brown. Just don't forget and. So the sentence is नारियल खट्टा और भूरा है. नारियल खट्टा और भूरा है. Let's review our words for sweet and sour one more time. Sweet is meetha and sour is khatta. Great job! This was a lot of practice. You did a really good work, and if you need to replay this video, do it as many times as you need to before you don't need the guides anymore. All right? Dhanyavad for joining me. I'll see you in class.